Okay, so good evening, everybody. Welcome to the VSB quiz of July 2020 grand finale. We welcome Deepta Dip Sarkar from Maharashtra. We welcome Sheikh Zafar from Andhra Pradesh. Hi, we welcome Kanista from Tamil Nadu. Vanakkam. Welcome to the grand finale. Okay. Now, what we'll do is we need to do the first round. Each person will get 4 questions. It will be on the screen. All right. And that 4 question, each person has to only answer. The question will not go to the next person. It will be there on the screen. Each question is 100 marks. So if you tell all the four, first time 100, first answer is wrong, then I'll give you another chance. Then second one, if you answer it, 50 marks. Is that okay? So that no problem. Like that. Then the second one is buzzer round. Whoever lifts a hand first, they will only be asked. Not now, second round. Okay? Because everything is recorded. Everything is recorded. All the hands should be down, and right hand only. Okay? Not both the hands. That is second round. Third round is each of you should talk just 1 minute about your passion, about your life, and what you want to become. That's all. So based on all the three categories, all right, we have winner, we have runner, we have a consolation. Okay. So you'll also get a certificate, beautiful one with your photo. And this program will be on our Facebook, on our YouTube, and you can share it later also to all your friends. See, I have participated in the finale. Okay. It's good for you. Yes or no? You can tell that in summer during lockdown I did something useful. Okay. So okay, let's go. Now I want to first randomly select. Okay, I'm not going to select. The computer is going to select Sarkar or Kanishka or Zafar. Okay, who's going to be the first? I don't know. Let us see. Can we see who's going to be the first? Okay. Are you able to see on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Are you able to see on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. See there, I'm going to spin the names. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now that 1 minute, I want to remove one name because that person is not there. Right. And I also want to remove Lavish because he didn't come. So only 3 now. Is it okay? Let's see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Oh, Starero. Oh,
No,
gosh.
no, it's me, Jafar. Hello, everyone.
Zafar, welcome, welcome, Zafar. It's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so now you see Zafar has been selected. Okay,
Yes.
through the round robin, Zafar has been selected, and congratulations, welcome.
Thank you.
So, can each one of you just say hi to each other first of all?
Hi Zafar. Hi Kanishka.
Each of you just say hi to each other.
Hi. Hi, Tanishka. Hi.
Okay.
Hi, Sarkar.
Okay. So we have 3 states. Zafar, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Ready? Okay. Now you see, I will show you the presentation, the questions. All right. And these
All right.
questions are only for you. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
These questions are only for you. Okay. So let's go. Let me first share, and you need to tell me whether you're able to see or not. Is that okay?
Okay,
All
sir.
right, Zafar, there we go. Okay.
Yes.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Zafar, again, until this is the final round. You're in the grand finale. All right, you'll
Okay.
have 4 questions. All right, 30 seconds. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so let's go with the first question. Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, which is the school which is organizing this now? This is not the quiz. I'm just asking you, who is organizing this?
This VIT AP University.
Okay, VIT AP University, right? Okay,
Right.
so from the VIT AP School of Business, we are doing this for you. Congratulations for coming to the final round. Okay, there we
Okay,
go.
sir.
The first question for you is besan, sugar, cashew nut, cadmium, ghee, raisins, almonds. These are the key ingredients in preparation of this famous dish, which has a geographical identification. The Karnataka Milk Federation supplies the ghee. The Palasa, a small town in Andhra Pradesh, supplies cashews, and the rest of the ingredients are sourced from the commodities and species exchanged from Kochi. Name the famous sweet. Your time starts now. Only Zafar. And this question is not going to go to others. You're
It's
from
very
Andhra.
difficult question.
I'm sorry?
Very difficult question.
Try. Come on. 30 seconds. You're from Andhra. All right?
I think so. Sugar is the sweetest.
See, name the famous sweet. The question is sweet name. There is a sweet which is considering of all this, mix of all this. Milk comes from Karnataka, rest comes from Kochi, cashews from Andhra, and this is very famous in the world. Kanishka, please remove your headset. You're on mute again. You should remove that.
I think so. Nuts is the answer. Nuts.
Nuts. Okay, so are you sure Paka Paka it's the right
Sir,
answer?
can I give the answer?
No. Wait. First, it's only Zafar. It's only Zafar. Okay, nuts is
Okay,
okay. All right. So are you sure, Zafar, it's nuts?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, cool. Well, good try, Zafar. Nuts is a wrong answer. I'm going to give you second choice. If you answer now, you'll get 50 out of 100. That's all. First choice, you got it. And this is a famous sweet. And you're from Andhra Pradesh. Try. Come on, Zafar.
Where are the options, sir? I cannot see the options.
No options. It's to you. It's up to you.
Sir, shall I pass the question?
Okay, pause.
I can
Good. Done.
Pass.
Okay, so now you're not going to get a 50, okay, because you passed. Okay, no problem. Because if you said wrong, it'll be 0.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
can
All
I
right.
have anybody tell the answer if you know the audience? Anyone?
Sir, Mysore Pak.
Mysore Pak is the wrong answer. Good try. The right answer is Laddu, Tirupati Laddu. Zafar, you're from Tirupati, the world famous Laddu. Okay? All right. दुनिया में इतना famous है भाई, Tirupati Laddu. All right?
Yes, sir.
That is made of all these things. Okay? Good. Let's go next question to Zafar. Quick.
Okay.
Zafar, next question for you. Identify the logo to which airline company is this? Airline. I'm giving you a clue also. This is a famous airline which takes people, all right? Which is this famous airline? Zafar, your video should be on. Yeah.
Sir, I think so. It is Jet Airways.
Jet Airways is the wrong answer. Good try. Good try. You're very close.
Air Indigo, sir. Air Indigo.
Air Indigo. Okay, 2 answers. Wrong answer. This is the logo of Lufthansa, a German international world famous airlines, Lufthansa Airlines. Okay.
I have no idea about it.
Lufthansa is a famous international airlines, man. You should know it. Okay. So Zafar, okay, is there, done with 2. Come on, next, Zafar. Good try. Good try. You'll get it next one. Name which organization has this as a logo. Only Zafar, nobody else. Zafar, name which company has this organization. All right, in India. In India.
Postal, sir. Postal.
What postal? Who's telling you the answer? Okay, good, correct. Indian Post. Indian Post. You're the right answer. Indian Post. Okay.
Post office, sir, like that.
Zafar. Okay, right answer. You got 100. Okay. This is the logo of Indian Post. Is it okay, Zafar? Can you hear me?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. Last question for Zafar. Last question for Zafar. This is a caption for a very famous cool drink. Taste the thunder. What is the name of the cool drink?
Pepsi.
Pepsi. Oh, sorry. It's a very famous.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Yeah. Now you got 50 out of 100. Thumbs up.
Okay.
Taste the thunder. You remember that? Yeah.
Yes.
Pepsi to dil mangta hai more.
I don't have any TV in my house, so that's why I have no idea what advertisement.
No problem. Good try. Good try. Everybody give a big clap to Zafar. Good job. So Zafar, you're on 150. Good try. Okay, let's go next now. Again, I'll stop this here. Again, let's go to who's going to be selected. Okay. It's between Sarkar and Kanishka. Okay. Let's see who's going to get selected. All right. Now I will remove Zafar's name. Is it okay? Because Zafar round is over, first round. Okay, who's going to come? Sarkar or Kanishka? Guess?
I think so, Sarkar.
Sarkar will come? All right. Ooh.
Sarkar, yes.
Okay. Cool. Sarkar. Okay. So Sarkar, be prepared.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're going to be there. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll quickly share a new screen. And okay, so here we're done. Taste the thunder. Okay. Now, Sarkar, be
Yes.
prepared. 4 questions for you, 400 marks. All right. First time, if you answer correct, 100. Second time, if you answer 50. Is it okay? Some will
Yes.
have choices, some will not have choices. It's random. Okay. Very simple.
sir.
Very simple. Okay. The first question for you. Which is the company which says tire with muscles? Like
Tire
taste,
with muscles.
taste the thunder is thumbs up. This is a slogan of which company? Very famous company.
MRF.
Wow, perfect. Tire. How did you guess that? MRF is the right answer.
Yes, sir, I have seen.
You have seen it. Okay, Sarkar has got 100. Come on, let's go next question, Sarkar. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the caption of which place or organization, the happiest place on earth. There's a very famous organization in the world, in India, in Asia, I don't know, but they say the happiest place on earth. And this is very,
Is it the tagline?
this is a tagline of an organization.
Okay.
Yeah.
Disneyland.
Wonderful. Perfect. 200. How did you guess that is Disneyland?
In one program, I have seen it.
The happiest place on
Happiest
earth.
place on earth.
Okay.
Tarak Mehta.
Oh, cool. Third question for you, and your time starts now. Desh ki dhadkan. There's a tagline. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25.
Sir, we have to tell the movie name.
No, company name. Company का slogan है. 20, 19, 18, 17, 15, 14, 13, 12,
Sir,
10,
Hero Honda.
11,
Hero Honda.
12. Okay.
Sir, Hero Honda.
Sorry?
Hero Honda bike.
Are you searching online? Yeah? You're searching there, no?
Sir.
Yeah?
No, sir.
Okay. Desh Ki Dhadkan is the tagline of very famous, our own Indian company. Now it is Hero. Hero. Honda has
sir.
gone out. Okay. Now it
Hero,
is Hero. Okay. Your last question. All right. Good. No one can eat just one. You have 15 seconds now. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No one can eat just one.
So second chance can I get?
Sorry?
Second chance?
Second chance, only 5 seconds. Your time starts now.
Lays chips.
Okay, good. So it is, no one can eat just one, it is Lays.
Lays.
Good. So 50, there we go. So Zafar 150 and 250. Cool, good luck, good practice, good thing. Okay, so now we don't have any other option. Third one is be waiting for the second round. Okay, Zafar and Sarkar, be
Okay.
online.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
Kanishka, are you ready?
Yes,
Are you ready? Okay,
I'm ready.
ready. Okay, now let's go with your question. Is it okay?
Okay.
All right. This is a very easy question. The mint with a hole.
Peppermint. Mint with hole. Peppermint.
Peppermint. Okay, first option peppermint. Second option. This is a caption of a company. It's a very famous one with children. For children, it's very famous. You should unmute your mic. Kanishka. Ah.
Polo.
Huh?
Polo.
Your auntie is telling the answer. Huh? Polo. Ah, good. So a mint with the hole is polo. Good. So 100. Wow. Right. Kanishka, congratulations. Do you want to go with the next question? Okay, listen. I'm giving you, this is a tough question, so I'm giving you choice. What was built by Aurangzeb's son as a tribute to his mother Rabia? Hawa Mahal in Rajasthan, Bara Imra, Bibi Ka Maqbara, Gol Gumbaz. Aurangzeb is a very famous king. He built a famous thing for his mother. Think and tell. Your consolation prize. All others are senior to you. By the time she is thinking, second round, final round, Sarkar and Zafar, it is a question and
Yes.
instant answer. No time, okay? Question, instant answer.
Yes.
Question, instant answer. And that is not on the screen. I will ask. Hands up.
Okay, sir.
Among you who are hands up, that you prepare. Okay.
Okay.
Kanishka, can you guess?
Kanishka,
Your
you
time is
unmute, sir.
over.
Sir.
Unmute.
The first one.
Which one? First one. Name.
Hava Mahal.
Where is Hawa Mahal?
First.
எந்த ஊர்ல இருக்கு Hawa Mahal? Which place? Which city? Rajasthan, Jaipur. Okay, the right answer is, this is just to know a
Sir,
little bit of
can
history.
I tell?
Yeah, people from
Sir, can
Maharashtra
I
should
tell?
tell it. Sarkar, yes.
Bibi
please.
Ka Maqbara,
Ah, right answer. Where is this Bibi Ka Maqbara?
Aurangabad.
Yeah, it's in Maharashtra. It's in Aurangabad.
Yes.
Kanishka?
I have visited.
Oh, you visited. Wonderful.
Yes.
You're in Nasik. So definitely, the reason I put these questions is keeping your state in mind.
Yes.
Okay, good. Kanishka, unmute.
Sir.
Next question. Okay. Which of these is held with one hand and played with the other hand? There is an instrument. Okay, instrument. You know instrument? You music instrument. You know. This music instrument is held in one hand, played in other hand. Tabla, xylophone, tabla. Huh?
Xylophone.
Xylophone. Okay, good try, but sorry, Kanishka. You have one more choice. See, read the question carefully. Which of these is held with one hand and played with the other hand? You might have seen this in so many movies. Hey, others don't tell. Wait. Zafar.
Sir, Duffley, last option.
Mridangam or Duffley? Kanishka. Okay, Duffley is the right answer, Kanishka. Can you see the photo there on the screen? This is, have you seen this in movies? People play. Unmute, unmute. Yeah. This is called Duffley. It is held in one hand, played. Tabla is played by two hands. Mridangam is played by two hands. Xylophone is played by two hands. See, the logic is in the half of the answer is in the question only. Whenever you attend quizzes, you should be little smart. Half of the answer will be in the question itself or within the answers. Okay, last question. Kanishka,
Okay, sir.
which is the first digital village in India and in which state is it? The whole village is digital. Everything online payment, online current, online water, online everything.
Everything from online, sir.
Everything is online.
So start the time.
Time started already. When the time started, so 10 more seconds. 8, 7,
I'm thinking
6, 5, 4, 3,
Karnataka.
2. Karnataka. Okay, time up. Good try, Kanishka. Karnataka. All right. The village Akhodara is in Gujarat. So this village is the first digital village in the whole of India. Even a small shop, they don't pay paisa. Even a small kirana shop. You understand, everybody? Zafar, Sarkar, even a small shop, paisa nahi rehta hai. Everything is Google Pay, On Pay, current bill, everything. Even saloon shop, barber shop. Okay, Kanishka. All right, so Kanishka's score is there, 150. Okay, now Zafar 150, Sarkar 250 is leading, Kanishka 150. Now listen, before we go to the final round, I'm going to put 4 questions for all of you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
The minute I put the next question, okay, anybody who first raises a right hand,
And right.
all right, and immediately should tell the answer, no time. Is that okay? If you take time, then you're disqualified. All right, can we go? Can we start?
Yes.
Are you ready, Kanishka, Zafar, Sakar?
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ready, sir.
The only state which produces saffron kesar in India. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Kanishka, raise hand. Sakar, raise hand.
A, sir. A.
Yeah,
Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir.
A. Jammu and Kashmir. A.
Okay, okay. All right. 1 minute. Zafar, Kanishka, Sarkar. I'm just writing. 50. Sarkar is leading 250. Okay. See, this is like first come, first serve. Is it okay? Sarkar
sir.
and raised his hand. He also told. Kanishka also told. Sarkar 50. So Sarkar is 300. 200 is Kanishka. Okay. Are you ready, everyone, for the next question?
Yes.
Ready, sir.
Ready? Can I go? 1, 2, 3. Who's raising hand? I'll see in the video.
Asia's cleanest village, Andhra Pradesh.
Sir.
Okay, Sarkar has
Meghalaya.
raised a hand.
Meghalaya.
Second, Zafar and
Meghalaya, sir.
Okay. Sarkar
Meghalaya,
first
sir.
raised the hand, then Zafar. Okay.
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya. Okay. Zafar and Sarkar, again, I'm asking one more question. Name the village which is the cleanest village in the whole of Asia in Meghalaya. Now that you both got answers, Sarkar told first, so 100 out of 100. Zafar told second, so 50 out of 100. Okay. So which is the
Yes.
village? I've been to that village. It's a wonderful village. It's called Mavlong. It's 72 kilometers from Meghalaya, Shillong capital. All right. The whole village is clean. Nobody goes outside. All right. Everything is clean. Before they clean the house, they clean the road. All right. And
Okay.
that is in Meghalaya, 72 kilometers from Shillong.
Okay.
Okay. So good going. Now Sarkar is in 400, 250, 300, 400, and then 50, 250 is Zafar, Kanishka is there. Okay. Cool, cool. Are you ready for the third one?
Yes.
Raising hand, okay? Kanishka, ready? 1, 2, 3. Which port is called the Queen of Arabia Sea? Raise hand, quick. Sarkar raise first hand, second Kanishka, third Zafar. Okay, Sarkar.
Kochi.
Sarkar says Kochi. Zafar,
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Kanishka.
Kochi.
Okay, perfect. The right answer is Kochi. Kochi is called, the port of Kochi is called the Queen of Arabia Sea. Sarkar got the first answer. Zafar told Mumbai. It's a good try, don't worry. Kanishka told second because she raised later. So Sarkar gets 100. Zafar gets nil and Kanishka gets 50. Hey, Kanishka, 200, 200. Good, good, good. Okay. Last question. Zafar, you ready?
I'm ready, sir. Ready, sir.
Ready. Okay. Kanishka, Sarkar, ready? Last question, buzzer round. Okay. Are you ready, everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's
Yes.
go. 1, 2, 3. Which one is the largest paper producing state in India? They produce papers, you know? Paper.
Sir,
Raise hand, whoever. Okay, first Zafar, raise hand. Don't tell the answer, wait. First Zafar, then Sarkar. Kanishka, you're the third, okay? Okay. Zafar, your choice.
Assam, sir. D.
Okay, D, Assam. All right, so first Zafar got opportunity because he raised hand. Sarkar,
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Okay. All right, Kanishka, what's your choice?
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Why?
I think so.
Why do you think so?
What is the D?
Maharashtra
Sir, Maharashtra is also there.
Okay, now all the answers are done. Zafar said Assam, and Sarkar said Madhya Pradesh, and Kanishka also said Madhya Pradesh maybe. The right answer is Maharashtra. All right. The reason I put this is when I kept Sarkar in mind, I want to ask some questions relevant to Maharashtra. All right. In the east of Maharashtra, Balasha, Chandrapur, that is a place where maximum number of paper company, you know, 3As, 444, A4 sheets, built पता है बल्लारपुर इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड ये है बल्लाशा में just above Hyderabad, all right, on the east of Maharashtra. Nashik Sarkar is on the west of Maharashtra.
West side.
Yeah. So Maharashtra is the highest production of newspaper in India. Okay. Cool.
Second round is over, sir.
Over.
The
Okay.
scores.
What's the
Scores. Now this last question, everybody 0, 0, 0. Okay. So let's go. Sarkar is 500. Okay. 200 is Kanishka. 150, 250, 300 Zafar. Good. So 500, 300, 200. Okay. Sarkar,
Okay.
Zafar. Okay. Now let's close this. Okay. All right.
Buzzer, sir.
Okay. Now let's go to an interesting final round. And where is this? Okay. Are you able to see my screen? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
1 minute. I'm adding 3 names. Okay. Are you guys ready? Now,
Yes, sir.
whichever lucky person out of the 3, I will ask question only to them. All right, and only they answer the question. Is it okay? The question will not be seen by
Yes,
you.
sir.
You need to listen to me and quickly answer. There is no 30 seconds time. It's only for that person. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Are you seeing the wheel on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
You have to spin.
Yeah, I will spin it. Are you ready? Okay, all right. Okay. Kanishka. There. So, are you able to hear that voice in your
Yes.
headphones?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Kanishka. Be ready for the question, okay?
Okay.
Your question is, I'll ask you very simple question, all right?
Okay.
Very simple question, okay? You are in Tamil Nadu, okay? Let me close this. Okay, you're in Tamil Nadu.
Mm.
How many districts are in Tamil Nadu? That's all. Quick. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Kanishka, you belong to Tamil Nadu and your time is up now. Okay? All right. Okay, what is your district name?
Coimbatore.
Okay, how many districts are in Tamil Nadu now?
Mm.
Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
How many districts?
Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
Sir, I'll think and tell. Sir, I don't know the exact count.
Okay, no problem. I'll ask you a very simple question. Name, that's only for you now. Name the President of India. Full name.
Ramnath Kovind.
Oh, good. Who was the first woman President of India? Who was the first woman President of India?
Pratibha Patel.
Okay. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? You're a girl, that's why I'm asking you all women questions.
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi. Ah, okay. Who was the first Indian woman to go to the space?
Kalpana Chawla.
How did you get this answer so fast?
I read that one in school and I like to read about space.
You like to read about space? Okay. Okay. Now, quickly tell me what is that you want to do in future? One statement, 2, 3 lines. Yeah. Tell about yourself. What do you like? What do you do? All that.
I would like to dance. I'm going to classical dance class for 5 years. For past 5 years, and I wanted to become a wildlife photographer. And all the kids will see my photos, and that photos will be helpful for them to improve their knowledge about the animal.
Okay. So that's what you want to do. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So again, let's go to the where is share. Let's go to the spinning wheel. Okay. Spinning wheel. Now I'll remove. Okay. Remove. Okay. Even let's Kanishka be there. Is okay. Zafar, are you ready? Zafar, Sakar,
Yes, sir.
are you able to see this?
Ready, sir.
Ready? Huh? Okay. Again, I'm changing again. Okay. All right. There we go. Zafar. Okay. So I think so. Zafar, are you ready now?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Okay. So your question is like this. Okay. Thailand announced that it has processed the test for the COVID vaccine on which animal or bird? I repeat again. Are you able to hear me?
Monkey.
Wow. Without even option, how did you tell it so fast?
I have seen in television, sir.
Yes.
On the national television.
Very good. You're very updated. Thailand is the first in the world who says that yes, they tried it on monkey. Okay, first they tried it on mice, and now they're working on it. And if it comes true, they'll be the first country to get. Good one. Congratulations, Zafar. So you
Thank you,
move to 400. All right. Okay. Now the next question for you. Okay. Are you
Yes, sir.
ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay. It's a very simple question, but I want you to answer. Who was the first Indian in space? See, for Kanishka, I asked, who is the first woman to be on space? Your question is different. Who was the first Indian to be on space? I can also give you choice. Vikram Ambalal, Ravish Malhotra, Rakesh Sharma, Nagapati Bhatt.
Rakesh Sharma.
How do you know Rakesh Sharma?
I have seen in, I have read in some books, sir. I can't remember that book's name.
Okay. Why not Vikram Sarabhai, who started space research? Why not Ravish Malhotra? Why only Rakesh Sharma?
Sir, I have heard the name Rakesh Sharma only.
Okay. Congratulations. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Rakesh Sharma is the first Indian to be on the space.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, 100. So there we go. Start to 500. Kanishka, are you there? Okay. All right. Okay. So last question for you, brother, and then we go to Sarkar. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Zafar. Yeah. Who is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Who is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? I will give you choice. I'll also give choice to Sarkar. Rabindranath Tagore, C.V. Raman, Mother Teresa, Kalpana Chawla.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Why?
Sir, why? Because
What did he do to
he,
contribute to get a Nobel Prize?
sir, he is very good at literature, sir.
Literature.
And he has written the national anthem for two countries, India and Bangladesh. That's why I think so.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's the right answer. Congratulations. Thank you so much. So
Thank
here
you,
we
sir.
go. 600. Okay, now Zafar 600. Sarkar is already on 500 leading. Okay. Kanishka, is your mic on? Okay, now there's no spinning wheel because Sarkar is the only one. Okay. Sarkar, this is called rapid fire. Okay. I ask question, you got to answer. Like that, no time. Okay. Quick question, quick answer.
Yes.
Quick question, quick answer. Okay. Which is the only cricket playing country in the world which played the least test matches? Quick.
Which is the only?
Country which played the least test matches in the world. You're searching on that. I can see the reflection on your specs.
Yes, sir. I can also.
Yeah. All of us can see. Your time is up. Okay. Okay. Now you can try. You can tell me. First option, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Zimbabwe, India.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Zafar, what do you guess?
Zimbabwe, sir.
Okay, Kanishka. Do you know cricket or only dance?
No cricket. But
You know,
little
who are your favorite players in cricket?
I don't have anyone like that.
You don't
I
have
mean,
any?
you should have.
You should have no.
I won't watch cricket that much.
Okay, good, good, good. All right. So one question is up and fine. Okay. Sarkar. Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your final question. Okay. Think well, listen well, and it's a quick buzzer. Okay. You can't take time. And if you search your eyes down, it's clear on the video. All right. Zafar, are you ready? Kanishka? Okay. This is not a pass round. It's only direct to Sarkar of Maharashtra. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Name all the new states which got bifurcated in India in the last 5 years. Quick. All the new states which got bifurcated within the states. Quick, quick, quick. You should just tell.
Telangana with Andhra Pradesh.
Perfect. Telangana with Andhra Pradesh. Next. Keep guessing.
Jharkhand.
Wonderful. Jharkhand with Bihar. Perfect.
Sir, total how many we have to say?
Now you tell me. How many you tell, that many marks. Yeah. Then.
So each question carries 100 marks, sir.
No, 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 no. All question 100 marks.
Okay.
Because everybody asked two questions. No, that's all. Yeah.
Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Telangana.
Chhattisgarh is the capital of Jharkhand. but from which state did it come off? Okay, the right answer is it got bifurcated from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh.
Madhya
Right?
Pradesh,
Yeah.
Chhattisgarh, yes.
Then Ranchi, capital of Jharkhand, from Bihar, Patna. Telangana,
Yes.
Hyderabad from
Jammu
Andhra.
and Kashmir.
Okay, Jammu and Kashmir is a state or a union territory
Union
now?
Territory. Yeah,
Union Territory.
Good. Jafar has got a very good answer. Okay, cool. So there you go. Since you told two, all right, out of the other one, you get your 75, and there you go. Perfect. So 650. Okay, good. So Sarkar, thank you so much. Congratulations. Put your scores there. I'll put it on the screen. Kanishka, you are a special consolation prize, and both your elder brothers are giving you a special prize for coming up to 200. Congratulations. Okay. All right. See, they're giving you thumbs up. Okay. So, Sakar, congratulations for leading. Zafar, thank you so much. I appreciate your. Zafar is very good at current updates. I can see that. Yeah.
Thank you,
Otherwise,
sir.
it won't straight away come to you. That question's what I told you, right? I know it's
Right.
a little tough, but keep it up. Keep up the good work. Is that okay? And
Okay, sir.
Kanishka, good seeing you. And I will connect you to so many people who are in the National Geographic, my friends. All right. And they are amazing people. You should definitely get in touch. They are wildlife photographers. Okay. Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah, they are wildlife photographers. Okay. So, National Geographic. I'm just trying to see. I don't know where I kept all of them. Okay. Can you see Shok? Can you see on the screen?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, 1 minute. This is for Kanishka. Kanishka, anga parungo. Kanishka, can you see? Can you see? His name is Shulk Ashish. He is a National Geographic magazine photographer, cover page. What is his name? Shulk Ashish. Okay. See, yeah, I will show you the, can you see that on the screen? All right. He is amazing photographer. Okay. Wildlife, National Geographic. Shulk Ashish. See, can you see that on Google? All right. So everybody knows him. He's an amazing speaker. He's a good friend of mine. All right. And do you want to see his good photographs? All right. These are all his photographs. You see that. This is in Gujarat. See how nicely he takes photos.
Yes,
Very
sir.
high class quality photographer. So nothing wrong even if you have, these are all his photographs. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very famous photographer. Mostly he works, these are all his amazing work. You should definitely meet this guy. Okay. So I was so shocked to see his photographs, you know, how he takes things and how he works. This is the one which you took. All right. Can you see that on the right? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So is it there on the screen?
Yes, sir.
So he is Shulk. All right. His photographs, can you see how beautiful he takes? All right. So very famous guy in the world, in the world. Okay. So you should also become like this. See that photo how he took. Hmm? Okay, chalo. I have another program. Anyway, thank you so much. Now, you please send me your photographs.
Sir,
Okay,
what
sir.
are
Thank
the
you so
final
much for this
scores?
quiz, sir.
Thank you, Zafar. First,
Thank you, everyone.
Sarkar, runner-up
Sarkar.
Zafar. Okay.
Oh,
Would you like to
thank you,
say
sir.
some quick small thing? How did you feel about this entire participation? Quick.
Yes, sir. The quiz was very good.
Hmm.
We all enjoyed it.
Hmm. You enjoyed it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
It was
I will
very
also
fun.
send you. I'm sorry, Zafar. Yes.
Very pleasure to meet with you, sir.
Good. So welcome to our VIT BBA. Okay. If you want to do
Yes.
BBA, anybody, MPC, CEC, we have 2 years in India, 2 years in the US, BBA Business Analytics, wonderful programs. Okay. So I will send you all the links. We welcome you anytime, but God bless you. Do good. And other quizzes will be there, subject specific. We will send you emails. So tomorrow you'll be on the Facebook, everywhere, big poster. Okay, Kanishka also will be there, full poster. Okay, all right,
Yes, sir.
good. Congratulations, God bless. Please, did you take note of my WhatsApp number?
Yes, sir.
You need to
Yes.
send your full name and send a good quality photo. Don't send me your school ID card photo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because it should be on the
Okay.
certificate. Okay, God bless you all. Take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Take
Thank
care.
you,
Good
sir.
luck. Good luck.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.